I just want to share with you the way I've found most successful for ballasting track. As you can see, this point has been changed, so I'm going to reballast it. After testing 12 different test tracks with different ways of ballasting, my main concern was the noise that's transmitted. When PVA dries, it becomes a solid substance which transmits the noise and gives a drumming effect rather than just the sound of the wheels. The most insulated way I found was using 1 part of Copydex to 4 parts of water. So I'll just demonstrate with this point. First of all, as you can see, I've sprayed it with brown for obviously to rust the rails. That's with dirty track brown or any brown that you think fits. So first of all, I shall put the ballast. Even it out. If you prefer not to have any ballast on the actual sleepers, then that's easily rectified once it has dried with the Pico trap rubber, and it brings it off nicely because Copydex being flexible is quite easy to remove. Now the most important thing is to have a fine spray. You must water the ballast, otherwise once you put the Copydex on, it'll move the ballast. So this is a very fine mist that I'm holding about 18 inches above the rail. And liberally drench it, then carefully drop the Copydex on the ballast, and what you'll find is that the Copydex, it spreads itself out, it just gets absorbed into the ballast quite easily. If you put too much on, it doesn't matter because it will absorb in overnight. And none of the white will be seen once it's dried. I say overnight, it can take up to 2 to 3 days depending on the weather. So it'll actually absorb right through the sleepers into it. I've actually put a bit too much down here, but as you can see it does spread very evenly, and I'll shortly show you when it's dry.